we are going to learn about irregular verb. What is irregular verb? How are you guys? Welcome to Fun Learning English with me. Today we are going to learn about irregular verb. What is irregular verb? Irregular verb is a verb whose conjugations follows a different pattern. Whereas regular verb is a verb whose conjugations follows a typical pattern, mostly followed by ed. But now our focus lesson is irregular verb. Let's get started! As we know, there is no rules to decide it is regular or irregular verb. All you have to do is memorize it. Don't forget to read and learn more. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 irregular verbs. 1. Go. Verb 2, went, past participle, gone. 2. Take. Verb 2, took, past participle, taken. 3. Have. Verb 2, had, past participle, had. 4. Bring. Verb 2, brought, past participle, brought. 5. See. Verb 2, saw, past participle, seen. 6. Know. Verb 2, knew, past participle, known. 7. Say. Verb 2, said, past participle, said. 8. Think. Verb 2, thought, past participle, thought. 9. Do. Verb 2, did, past participle, done. 10. Come. Verb 2, came, past participle, come. That's all about our lesson today. Hopefully, you can use irregular verbs in your daily communications. Thank you for watching. See you!